Hey guys, today I'm going to make some sausage, macaroni and cheese on my little Weber gas grill. This is nothing fancy. I have a pound of kielbasa sausage here, so I'm just going to cut that up into smaller pieces and get that on the grill. I have a couple of boxes of packaged macaroni and cheese. I'm just going to put that on a pan and cook it on the grill alongside of it. Then we'll mix it together at the end. I'm going to get my grill lit here, and I have my water on there. You guys, I did this the other day and I forgot that you have to put pasta into boiling water, and so I started my noodles out in cold water and they just got all gummy and mushy. I had to dump them out and start all over. So today I'm getting my water good and hot before I put the pasta noodles in there. It's kind of cold and windy out here. Let me see if my water's ready yet. Looks like it's pretty hot. Hanging on to my boxes of macaroni because they're wanting to blow away here. All right, stir that a little bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. And then we'll get our kielbasa on there. Looks like it has a fair amount of fat in it, so hopefully it won't start to burn while the noodles are cooking. I have to probably keep my heat on high while the noodles are cooking so the pan will boil. So I can fit these. Ow, that's hot. Hit that hot cast iron handle with my thumb. Real smart. Okay, we'll get the lid on there and let that cook for a bit. I better check on my kielbasa. It's been a couple minutes. Let's see here. Yeah, I better turn it over. It's getting kind of dark. Maybe I should have waited to put it on. Oh well. I think my sausage is done here, so I'm going to get that off. The noodles don't look like they're quite ready yet, so that way I can get the lid down and let those finish without burning my sausage. It's been about 9 or 10 minutes and I think these noodles are done, so I'm going to get these off of there and go drain them. Alright, my macaroni is drained. I bought this 10-inch cast iron skillet at Walmart for like $8. It's like the perfect size for this. Now we'll just mix in our butter and our cheese, maybe a little bit of milk. Get that all mixed up. And then I'll cut up that sausage and mix it in with it. Alright, that is looking pretty good. Annie the taste test dog just showed up. Now we just put our sausage on top and we're all set. Annie's waiting to do the taste test. It's cold, huh, Annie? You're shivering. Want to do the taste test out here? Look what I got. Well, that's pretty good. That's easy weeknight food or camping food if you took that little girl camping. Thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you next time.